Today is a big day for Shiba Inu. Treat has just been launched. People are celebrating. However, Shytoshi Kusama sends his final warning. Blackrock just did it again, and analysts are giving their mixed signals. What is actually happening? How will it make sense? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. A super exciting day has arrived for Shiba Inu fans everywhere. Today marks the official launch of Treat, and the community is buzzing with excitement. The big news broke on the official Shiba Inu Twitter account, where they confirmed that Treat is officially live. It's real, it's happening, and you can grab it now on their trusted exchange partners. However, the devs also warned us to be safe. With all the hype, scammers are bound to try their luck, so keep an eye out for fake links or tokens pretending to be Treat. They said to stick only to official channels, and you'll be good to go. The Shiba Inu community has been waiting for this moment for what feels like forever. The energy online is incredible. Social media is filled with celebrations, memes, and excitement. It's clear that Treat has given everyone a fresh boost of optimism and pride in being part of the Shiba Inu family. Fans are calling it a game changer, and you can just feel the momentum building. This is definitely a day to remember. And here's the exciting part. The big news of Treat's launch actually had an impact on Shiba Inu's price today. We saw a nice little bump of around 5%, which is awesome. This is especially significant because Shiba Inu had recently been in a bit of a tricky situation. Analysts were saying it was in a critical zone, teetering on the edge of a potential drop. But thanks to this positive movement, it's managed to avoid falling into a bearish trend. Shiba Inu has bounced back and held strong, pushing its price above a key support level that had been worrying investors. According to them, this support level is super important. It's often seen as the line that separates good from bad news. If the price had dropped below it, we could have seen a much bigger decline. But thankfully, the price has stayed above it, showing there's still some buying interest in the token. Right now, Shiba Inu is in a better position, but it's not completely out of the woods just yet. There are still a couple of resistance levels ahead, but the fact that it's holding steady after some rough days is a good sign. It's like Shiba Inu just dodged a bullet, and that gives investors some much-needed hope that things could stay stable, at least for now. On top of that, adding to the excitement, there was a huge surge in Shiba Inu burns. According to Shiba Burn, over the past day, the community sent a massive amount of Shiba Inu to unspendable blockchain addresses. Over 21 million tokens were burned. This caused the daily burn rate to jump by an incredible 2,221%. Burning tokens like this helps reduce the overall supply, which can make the remaining Shiba Inu more valuable over time. It's a sign of strong community involvement and shows that people are taking action to support the token's growth. This sudden spike in burns is definitely a positive development, especially when the token has been at a crossroads. It's like the community is stepping in to help out, keeping things steady and giving the price a little extra boost. It shows that even when the market's a bit uncertain, Shiba Inu has a dedicated following behind it. Though these factors are definitely helping Shiba Inu's price move in the right direction, you might still be wondering, why? What's really driving this price action lately? Well, let's zoom out for a second and take a look at the bigger picture. It turns out Bitcoin is also making some big moves lately. Analysts are saying Bitcoin has risen about 5% today and is also in a critical position. After a solid recovery overnight, Bitcoin's price surged, helping the entire crypto market bounce back to a valuation of over $3 trillion. Bitcoin is currently testing some important resistance levels, and analysts are predicting that if it continues to rise, we might even see it break past the $100,000 mark soon. So, as Bitcoin shows signs of a bullish comeback, it could help boost confidence in the entire crypto space, including Shiba Inu. With both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu showing positive movements, it's a good time to keep an eye on the market. There might be more good things to come for Shiba Inu as well. And here's something pretty crazy. Blackrock just made a huge move with their Bitcoin ETF. They've officially expanded it into Canada with the launch of the iShares Bitcoin ETF, which is already trading on Cboe Canada, a major stock exchange. They've done it before with other countries, and now again? This is absolutely insane. This just shows how cryptocurrency is being globalized nowadays. Anyway, this ETF gives investors a regulated way to get exposure to Bitcoin through traditional brokerage accounts, making it easier for people to dive into crypto without dealing with the complexities of buying and holding Bitcoin directly. Rob Morocco from CBOE mentioned that this move is all about meeting the growing demand for regulated crypto investment options. With BlackRock's massive influence and CBOE's global reach, they're hoping to take the ETF far beyond Canada and make it a major player on the global stage. Well, as the traditional financial world continues to embrace crypto through products like these, it adds more legitimacy to the space overall. This could bring in more investors and boost confidence in altcoins like Shiba Inu. With more institutional attention on crypto, it's possible that we'll see more interest in tokens like Shiba Inu as part of that broader crypto trend. It's definitely an exciting time for the whole market. And now it all makes sense. When Bitcoin makes a move, it tends to drag the entire market along with it. And that includes Shiba Inu. As Bitcoin shows signs of recovery, it's not just lifting itself up, it's helping pull up other tokens like Shiba Inu along the way. But looking back, even with the market slowing down for a bit, the Shiba Inu community is still incredibly pumped. There's so much excitement about what's ahead. The community has shown time and again that they're in it for the long haul. And even during quieter times, the energy and optimism remain strong. It's clear that the hype around Treat and the overall Shiba Inu ecosystem is only building, and fans are buzzing about what's next. One Twitter user even captured this feeling perfectly in a tweet saying, "The launch of Treat is only the beginning. Shiba Inu has so much more to come. We haven't even seen the good stuff yet." It's a sentiment that's been echoing throughout the community, and it really captures the excitement surrounding Shiba Inu right now. The Treat launch was a huge milestone, but it's clear that the community believes this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more in store for Shiba Inu, and people are eagerly anticipating what's next. Whether it's new projects, developments, or even more surprises, the energy around Shiba Inu is undeniable. This feeling of, we're just getting started, is only adding to the optimism, and it's a big part of what's keeping the momentum going, despite any market slowdowns. The community's enthusiasm and confidence are making it clear that they believe the best is yet to come for Shiba Inu. However, despite the confidence, we should still stay cautious because, according to some analysts, this price movement has also created a new critical pattern for Shiba Inu. Unfortunately, things aren't looking too great in the short term. Shiba Inu has already dropped nearly 20% from its high earlier this month, which is definitely a tough pill to swallow for investors. One of the major concerns is the death cross pattern that just appeared on the chart. After this pattern showed up, Shiba Inu's price immediately took a dip, losing over 10% in just a day or two. Right now, the price action looks more like a downward slide than something investors would want to jump into. The token is dangerously close to breaking an important price point, and if it falls, it could see another drop. Analysts are suggesting two possible outcomes. First, the price might just stay where it is, with no clear winner between the bulls and bears. The second scenario is a bit more concerning. If the price drops far enough, it could reach oversold levels, similar to last year's low. On the flip side, one positive takeaway is that the death cross formed on a smaller time frame, so it might not stick around for long. Still, the situation is something to watch closely. Either way, if we zoom out and think long-term, there's still a lot to be excited about. Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, recently hinted on Twitter that there are many more things coming for Shiba Inu, and it's going to surprise us. Her words definitely add to the growing sense of anticipation, especially as the community continues to rally behind the project. Even though the short term might have some ups and downs, the bigger picture looks promising, and it seems like there's a lot more in store for Shiba Inu that could take things to the next level. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.